Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare beets for pickling. First, select fresh, firm beets with vibrant greens. Wash them thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt. Carefully trim off the greens, leaving about 1 inch of stem attached. It is important not to remove the root end at this stage, as it helps prevent color bleeding during cooking. Next, place your cleaned beets into a large pot. Cover them completely with water, ensuring there is at least 1 inch of water above the beets. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until the beets are tender. This usually takes between 25 and 45 minutes, depending on their size. You can test for tenderness with a fork. Once cooked, immediately transfer the hot beets to an ice bath to stop the cooking process and cool them quickly. This makes peeling much easier. The skins should slip off effortlessly by hand, or you can use a small paring knife. After peeling, trim off the remaining stem and root ends. Now, slice or dice the beets to your preferred size for pickling. For best results, try to ensure all your beet pieces are uniform in size, which helps with even pickling. Carefully pack the prepared beets tightly into clean, sterilized jars. At this point, your beets are perfectly prepped and ready to receive your delicious pickling brine. Simply pour your prepared brine over them, and you are all set for the next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.